The governor also signing sports gambling into law today across the state. We were there when the bill was signed, and Tom Fitzgerald's live at the State House. We've been following this for a while because Maryland basically had to catch up with Virginia and D.C. So when can people start making those bets in Maryland?
That is the question of the day, Jim. Hey, we reached out to MGM National Harbor. They told us they are working on their sports gaming plan right now, putting the finishing touches on it, and they say they expect to reveal that soon. Meanwhile, state officials tell us that the goal here, optimistically, is they want to have Maryland sports gambling up and running by the fall, by the 2021 NFL season. That's what they're looking at right now. They'll have the green light after Governor Larry Hogan signed that bill, flanked by Democratic General Assembly leaders.
Today we are going to be signing another 226 bipartisan bills into law, including legislation to legalize sports betting in the state of Maryland.
I am particularly proud that we will sign legislation that opens up opportunities in the industry of sports betting to minorities and women.
It's an exciting day. We're dealing with problems that are new to our area with things like sports betting, but also further investing into the recovery.
Okay, so here we go. They're off and running now. To start, the initial licenses are going to go to the established casinos that are already up and running in the state. They're also going to go to the racetracks like Laurel Park in Pimlico. There are also going to be licenses granted to the professional sports stadiums in Maryland. We're talking about the Baltimore Orioles, Oriole Park, the Baltimore Ravens Stadium, M&T Bank Stadium in Baltimore, and of course FedEx Field, where the Washington football team plays its games. But that's not all, as they say in the TV commercials. There are going to be 30 licenses just for smaller venues like the state fairgrounds. And in addition to that, they wanted to widen out the pool of people who can get access to do business with sports gaming. So they've got 60 licenses that are going to be available for mobile and internet apps. That's going to be primarily going to minority and women-owned businesses. Fox 5 spoke with Senator Craig Zecker of Montgomery County. He is the author of this legislation.
The way that we played this was to make sure that everybody felt like they had skin in the game, making sure we're looking out for the small minority women-owned businesses to make sure that they are able to participate. So I really feel like Maryland, based on what the voters wanted, will be a leader for other states to follow.
In fact, though, Maryland's coming in third in this regional race. D.C. already has its sports book up and running. Virginia passed it in April of 2020, and Marina, they expect to bring in $18 million in just the first year alone of sports gaming.
It's going to be a huge surge.